In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam games not launching with a full guide for 2025. We know how frustrating it can be when you're all set for a gaming session, but your game refuses to launch. We're here to ease that frustration by guiding you through some simple steps to get your games up and running again. First, we'll start by opening Steam itself. Make sure your Steam client is running because we need to troubleshoot using it. If it's not open, go ahead and click on the Steam icon to launch the application. This will bring us to our main starting point. Now that we're on Steam, we want to open up the Task Manager. This is a crucial part of the process because sometimes programs running in the background can interfere with game launches. To open the Task Manager, you can hit the Ctrl plus Shift plus ES keys simultaneously on your keyboard, or simply search for Task Manager in the Start menu. With Task Manager open, you'll see a list of all running applications. What we want to do here is to look for any Steam-related processes that might be running. Sometimes a duplicate process can cause launch problems. Right-click on each Steam-related task and select End Task to ensure that all associated programs are closed. This clears any potential glitches that might be causing the issue. Next, we should return to Steam, but before launching it, find the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your program files. Right-click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Properties. Navigating to the properties allows us to tweak some essential settings that might help in resolving the issue. Once you're in the Properties window, look for the Compatibility tab. Click on it, and you will see various compatibility settings. Here, you should see an option that says Run this program as an administrator. Click the checkbox next to this option. Running Steam as an administrator can solve a host of issues by giving it the necessary permissions to operate without interruptions. After you've checked this option, it's crucial to remember to click on Apply at the bottom of the window. This saves your settings. Closing the Properties window without applying the changes will mean these adjustments won't take effect, so make sure not to forget this step. Now you can reopen Steam and try launching your game again to see if the problem has been resolved. By following these steps, you increase the likelihood of fixing the launch issues, allowing you to return to your gaming experiences with minimal hassle. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope these steps have helped resolve your issues with Steam games not launching. If you continue to experience problems, consider reaching out to Steam